Hello, myself Baldev Ram Mali, lecturer Computer Science and Engineering, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Topic of my e-lecture is conditional statements in cell programming in Unix. Subject code CS303. At first we consider what is conditions and what are the types of condition in Unix cell. The condition is a Boolean expression resulting true or false. Following three types of conditions used in Unix cell. First type is file-based conditions, then string-based conditions, and then number-based conditions. At first we take file-based conditions. A file-based conditions are unary expressions and used to examine a status of a file. The following list shows the file-based conditions. Dash A file returns true if file exists. Dash B file returns true if file exists and is a block special file. Dash C file returns true if file exists and is a character special file. Dash D returns true if file exists and is a directory. Dash E file returns true if file exists. Dash R file returns true if file exists and is a readable. Dash S file returns true if file exists and has size greater than 0. Dash W file returns true if file exists and is writable. Dash X returns true if file exists and is executable. Dash N returns true if the file exists and has modified since it was last read. Now we take example of file-based condition. In this example, if then else statement is used, and in this if then else statement, file-based condition is used. If in bracket dash d employee, then echo exists and directory, else echo not exists and directory fi. This condition check whether employee is existing directory or not. Now we take string based conditions. The string based condition is a binary expression that returns true if the specified condition is satisfied. Otherwise, it returns false. The following are the string based conditional operators. In this table, we describe the operators used in string based conditions. Equal to returns true if strings are equal, not equal to returns true if the strings are not equal. Dash n returns true if strings to be tested is not null. And dash z returns true if string to be tested is null. Then now we take number based conditions. The following table describes number based conditional operators in Unix shell. These are the 6 operators. Dash LT means less than, dash LE means less than or equals to, dash GT means greater than, dash G means greater than or equal to, dash EQ means equal to, dash NE means not equal to. So all these conditions are used in conditional statements. Now we take the conditional statements in Unix shell programming. The decision-making statements on conditions play important role in programming. The condition is a Boolean expression resulting true or false. The decision-making statements are also known as branching or conditional statements. The most commonly used conditional statements in Unix shell are following: if then statement, if then else statement, nested if then else statement, case statement. The case statement is multi-branching statement. First we take if then statement. The syntax of if then statement is following: if condition in bracket, then command 1, command 2 and so on command n fi. By this if then statement, if specified condition is true, then block of commands from command 1 to command n are executed. Otherwise, these commands are not executed. Now we take if then else statement. The syntax of if then else statement is following: if condition, then command 1, command 2 and so on command n. Else command A, command B and so on command X, Fi. By this if then else statement, if specified condition is true, then true block of commands from command 1 to command n are executed. Otherwise, false block of commands command A to command X are executed. Now we take nested if then else statement. If after checking one condition, it is required to check another condition, then nested if then else statement is used. In this, a complete if then or if then else statement is placed within true or false block of another if then else statement. The syntax of nested if then else statement is following. It is just an example. If in bracket condition 1, then command 1 and so on. Else if in bracket condition 2, then command A and so on. Else command B and so on. Fi. In this nested if then else statement, a if then else statement of condition 2 is placed in false block of if condition 1 statement. Then finally we take case statement. Case statement is multi-branching statement and it is used to select one option from multiple options and it does more efficiently than nested if then else statement. When number of options are more, nested if then statement becomes complex and less readable. So in this case statement is more suitable. The cell checks each case value against the value of the selection expression against until a match is found. If nothing matches, a default block will be executed. otherwise matched block is executed. The general syntax of case statement is following. Case $selection expression in value 1 command block 1 double semicolon, value 2 parenthesis command block 2 double semicolon, and so on, value n parenthesis command block n double semicolon, finally asterisk parenthesis default block double semicolon, ESAC. This is end of case statement. In case statement, there is no upper limit on number of case blocks, but the minimum is 1. The command double semicolon indicates that the program flow should jump to the end of entire case statement. Double semicolon work just like break statement, which is used in switch case. Okay, in this way we discuss various types of conditions used in Unix shell programming and conditional statements. Okay, thanks.